Yeah, so to download the Visual Studio Code, you just have to go onto your search bar and click download Visual Studio Code. And after loading, just go to the second one, Visual Studio Code, Code Editing and Redefine. Here you'll be able to get the latest version of the code. So after doing that, you go onto this button, download, you click on it. Then depending on the kind of operating system you are using, I am currently running on a Windows. If you are running on Mac OS software, you can click here, but I'm running on a Windows, so I'll click mine. So the download will start in a jiffy. So mine has started. So it is currently loading. I have about some minutes left for this. So it is currently complete now. So after doing that, you have to locate the file. You can double tap it. I've double tapped my own. I'll go to my file explorer. I'll go to my downloads. This is it here. So you can double click it. Let me expand it so you see it. So it's currently loading. Please, you click on the I accept the agreement. If you've not, please make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and feel free to ask any question in the comment section below. Next, next, next. So you can check to create the desktop icon. Click. You can also check to add open with code in all these different places to make it much more easier for you to operate Visual Studio. It's almost complete. So the installation is currently completed now. You can click on finish and the Visual Studio Code will launch immediately. So we've successfully downloaded and we've installed our Visual Studio Code. If you've not, please make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and also help us share this video to get more audiences to our channel. Thank you very much. And stay tuned to the next videos, tutorial videos. It will be very